Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kalumpung Yalekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Kabalai Sngi ya kabala penlong daka office jong District Sports Officer jong ka Ribhoy District balawan ya shimenta kumba arfu artli ki school baper jong ka Ribhoy District kala poino asya kabakut hakabala penha perdaya kani Kalumpung Yalekai dau Chief Advisor ka Sarkar Jilla u Dr. Didi Lapang u balalong u Kongsan harengkat ke jingi don lang jong District School Education Officer ka Ribhoy District uba VS Nongbet u District Sports Officer ka Ribhoy District uba PM Marbanyang ginong hikay ki khina school bar ki pai ba ki balawan man sakhi lang hagani gasngi ban ai man sem ya ki khina hagani gasngi la sam ya ki khusnam sha ginong job rengkat ki khusnam shimet bakantup ya ka nam best athlete haga kerdan under 14 hagaliang ki shinrang bala yora do Ronalsius Ingti naga school Saint Pancratius Upper Primary School bar hagaliang ki kintay la yora daka Anuska Mahjong naga school Saint Alfred Secondary School Marngar Hakakerdan under 16 nakaliang ki shinrang ya kanam best athlete la yora do Benias Marwet naga school RBP Higher Secondary School ban nakaliang ki kintay la yora daga Rinalis Inti na Srimanta Sankardev Secondary School kadba hakakerdan under 18 la yora do Rodos Mongor na Morning Star Secondary School Nongpo hakaliang ki shinrang kadba hakaliang ki kintay la yora daga Medarisha Kleng naga St Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpo Yaka khusnam lado jong district level inter athletic meet arjar khat khandai la yora raga Saint Alfred Secondary School Marngar hadin bakala yo ban khur hado khat khandai teli kitak maksiar bar ki kinhon ki bajob hakane Kalumpung kin yo lat ban lek mi khmat pat yaga district shaka jiya kop haga state level.
Sports is one of the ways that we can achieve game, and nowadays sports have got a very important role in the global level, and UNO and other departments all the world, they have accepted that sports and game is one of the development department is very important, and even there are a lot of things that the one who will earn his livelihood with all the blessings of the sports and games. We are glad Ribhoy District does not lag behind to bring to us the devils and the sports and the discipline and all. We are very glad that we have a lot of cooperation from the officers, the teachers, and also those on the hammer office that we can conduct this game, the sports and game all the time. Friends, you do not know the record, but you feel proud that from Ribhoy, we have got a lot of people who can show and bring honors and laurels to this area. You know about the sport, like the sport and game and all, even in the athletic and all, they don't forget to mention Ribhoy, because from Ribhoy there are gems, there are also jewels which will be glorifying for their ability and their contribution towards the game. Well, I will not talk much because the thing that we have facing a lot of bad weather and we feel a bit disturbed about our confidence and about today. Young friends, I will speak few points with you in a very short way. Number one, you have to be given a prescription about simple capsule. Capsule number one, be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, you will reach nowhere. Your future is doomed. The man who does not know the way, the time when to go to bed, how to get up from bed, the boy who doesn't know how to play, how to read, how to succeed, he will fail. And then don't commit mistake. That discipline is one point, one capsule prescription to bring you up towards your success. Number two, humility. Humility is greatness, and greatness is humility. You young people try to always encourage young or the mind people. They feel proud that they are intelligent in class. They shoot number one, number two, then they fall. Pride will whisper you who success in the boss work. You come first prize, second prize, and then later on, when pride goes to the head, your crown will fall into the ground and you're bound to fall into your face. Number three, be a master. Put this in your mind Put this in your heart. Put this in your comfort. Be a master. Because slavery and slave mentality has conquered everywhere. Because we are lazy, we don't want to work, we want to not complain, we leave us excuses. You give excuses to parents because they don't do comfort. You give excuses to the teachers, they don't want to teach you. They will excuses to the teachers that they don't give good results. When you don't know how to decide to be a master, you will never be a master. When you do not want to decide to be a master, you will be a slave. Because the certain sentence of master is a slave mentality. Don't be a slave. Take a stand. You may be poor, don't mind. You may be dull in your study, no matter. You may be sick in your health, no doubt. But one man to take a decision, I must be a master. You will be definitely. You'll read that. And there's one word that should avoid. Napoleon Bonaparte have given only one word is there. Because of one word, I become great in the world. What is that name? The word impossible will not be found in my dictionary. In our people, because we don't win anything, because no word impossible can have in a way. You say, I cannot do it because I'm poor. I cannot do it because my parents are ignorant. I cannot do it because I'm sick. Therefore, you will not win at all. Put one word, because the word impossible, I hate it. The word impossible, I don't know it. The word impossible will not be seen in my life, in my career, in my school career. Then I will win. Therefore, the last quotation, I repeat again, give in your heart, in your mind your studies, and that in your mind and in your determination, be a master. You will be a master. You will be the leader of yourself, leader of the group, leader of the nation. You will be somebody, somewhere, someday will grow in honor.
Albert Secondary School. And the gold goes to Bashar Lingdo, Dunbar Langland. A very big congratulations to all the winners. Let's give them a big round of applause. medal champion, Kenya the bronze medal, gold medal in the 2,000 meter race under 13 years girls, is under 16 years girls. In the East is dedication to all the 5 athletes continue. It's a very someone from RPP, that is in the under 18 boys category we have in the boys. How many girls?
Friends, at this point of time, I would like to declare that the district intersports or Ribhoi district has come to an end. Thank you. All the best to all of you.
Thank you very much.